Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set custom notification sound on your Nubia Focus 2 Ultra 5G. So if you want to set up a custom notification sound on your Nubia Focus 2 Ultra 5G, I'll show you how to do it. But first up, you'll need to download an MP3 sound of notification. You can download it from Google or any other music platform. So when you did download it, so go to settings, to sound and vibration, and notification tone. Here you can choose from basic ones from Nubia, and if you want a custom, go to music and choose the sound or music you want to use. Then press OK, and as you can see here, my notification tone is changed. So basically that's it. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.